What's up, everybody? It's been a long time since the last time I actually was able to make a video. Well, as most of you may know, I did go back to driving 18-wheelers all over the United States of America, and it's not that easy to make videos while I'm out here. First, we have barely any internet at times. Second of all, sleep is like a golden nugget in this place, because if you get out that steering wheel, all you want to do is just sleep. That's it. But I do have a couple fun things for you guys today. First off, we're gonna have to go get our windshield repaired because it cracked last night due to hail. With that being said, check out this footage from last night. It's your boy Joe.
Joe, straight out of Georgia, representing 912. We in a water storm. Heading on up there to Oregon Portland. This is what truck drivers have to go through. For me, this is the most dangerous part of the job.
This is what we have to deal with in order to make sure that everybody gets what they need on time. Remember that if it wasn't for a trucker, half the people in this country wouldn't have what they need, medications, and syringes, and the hospitals wouldn't have their supplies.
Even the clothes you got on your bike.
Clothes you got on your back, amen to that. That's what we have to deal with. Personally, I love it.
You know, an old truck driver told me, he said, you're a good truck driver, he said, you're good. If you go somewhere, you go different places, you like going different places, you know, so you're good.
Just an update, guys, we are in Nebraska, about 45 miles west of Aurora on I-80. Short clip, my co-driver introducing himself. Now, since our dispatch has taken quite some time to let us know where we can get a windshield replacement, because our only other option is sitting here till Monday, and it doesn't sound too fun. Well, I'm gonna go inside and get me a nice breakfast here at the Petro in Loramie, Wyoming. This is what's left of all the truckers that pulled over last night. That's our truck right there. But it is cold out here. Ice is finally melting, which means the temperature is warming up a little bit. You can see in the backdrop back there, the hills and mountains covered in snow. We're at a Petro, about to go inside and eat me some breakfast at this iron skillet because I'm starving. But for those of you on the west coast of the United States, the northwest specifically, I know we got hit with a really hard storm. Alright, so unfortunately I was unable to film inside the restaurant, I guess respectable reasons, but I had a good breakfast. Seeing as how our dispatch finally got back to us, and every single company that can replace our windshield is not available until Monday, we're gonna have to wait till Monday. But until we do get our windshield replaced, we're just gonna have to hang out here, hit up the arcade, watch people come in and out, and that's about it, honestly. Now, seeing as I haven't put up a video in a long time, and I've been kind of slacking on it, I got a couple videos for you guys of some awesome scenery that I've got to see over the last couple of months. For me, it is jaw-dropping. I love the scenery. This job couldn't be any more awesome than what it already is. To you guys, most of you guys, either you live out here or you've never seen the scenery and you want to see it, I'll get you a nice opportunity to see it from my point of view. Now, my favorite is the Valley of Death. It's like a snake-shaped mountain, basically, where you're going in between it, like 40-45 miles per hour at most, and it's pretty awesome. It's beautiful. Words cannot say enough about it.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Wouldn't it be crazy?
express the things I see out here while I'm driving. It's amazing. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video as well. I'm going to see what I can do to make them better, make them more entertaining, more scenery, and just a bunch of other things that I can add into it. But until then, feel free to share the video, subscribe, let your friends know that you know a cool truck driver out there who's making vlogs, just to show you guys basically what I have to deal with on a daily basis.